Breaking news now. Turkish President Erdogan security guard broke the nose of lawmaker and forcibly removed 3 academic women from the center of university at IAEN University in Quito, Ecuador. Ecuador has summoned the Turkish ambassador in Quito to formally protest the treatment and injury of 6 of its citizens, include 3 academics and 1 lawmaker.
Es también absolutamente injustificada la seguridad del gobierno de Turquía,
who were forcibly and violently removed from Quito's university center by the Turkish Erdogan security personnel, after peaceful protest against Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan when he was speaking at Quito University. The 3 academic women were removed from Quito's Center for Higher National Studies on Thursday by Turkish Erdogan's security personnel when they interrupted his speech. Local media were also prevented from filming the altercation. Also, Turkish Erdogan's guard broke the nose of Ecuadorian lawmaker Diego Avinti Miller, chanting, "Turkey equals ISIS." Lawmaker Diego Avinti Miller Jaran published the photo of him, that blood running from his nose, and has confirmed the attack on him by Turkish Erdogan's guard on his Facebook page and says, "Thank you to all the people for your messages and support. Erdogan is fascist."
El presidente Erdogan también debía dar una conferencia en el Instituto de Altos Estudios Nacionales.
The incident occurred during a Kurdish solidarity protest against Turkey's president as he visited Ecuador. Supporters of the Kurdish struggle took to the streets on Thursday in Ecuador's capital Quito to protest Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who is in Ecuador on an official 2-day visit. The protesters gathered in opposition to Ankara's military operation in the Kurdish southeast areas of Turkey against the Kurdish civilians. Hundreds of Kurdish civilians have been killed by Turkish army and police since August. Protesters were heard chanting slogans such as "Long live Kurdistan," "Murder Erdogan," and "Out with Erdogan," as the Turkish leader entered the IAEN University in Quito. ¡Que viva Kurdistan! ¡Fuera Erdogan! ¡Que viva Kurdistan! ¡Fuera Erdogan! ¡Que viva Kurdistan! ¡Fuera Erdogan! One of the academics who were forcibly removed from university by Turkish Erdogan's security guard told us on her press conference, "I realize that a murderer is visiting my country today."
Almuerce con un asesino. Qué vergüenza es que un presidente se reúna con un asesino y que tiene a 200 maestras y maestros por enseñar lo que es la...
She said Turkish Erdogan's supporting Islamic State group, and he's responsible for the hundreds of thousands of deaths in Syria and Kurdish cities in Turkey. I'm Alba Bella, reporting for Reese Harding News Agency, from Quito, Ecuador.